going to be explaining about the law of conservation of energy. And in this video, we're going to be playing a little game that shows you guys how energy can be transferred from one object to another. Law of conservation of energy means that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be transferred or converted into another form. Now let's play a little game. So you see, I have this tennis ball and I have those bowling pins. These bowling pins are actually plastic cups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be throwing this ball at the bowling pins. Let's see how this works. So you see, what happened is that when I was throwing the ball, I gave some of my energy to the ball. The ball transferred some of its energy to the pin, making the pin move. And then the pin hit another pin, then making that pin also move too, because the bowling pin that got the ball's energy transferred its energy to the other pin. So as you see, I transferred my energy to the ball that transferred to the pin, and that pin transferred some of that energy to the other pin. This proves the theory of law of conservation of energy. Another example of law of conservation of energy is to do with the basketball. As you see, I'm holding the basketball right here. Now, when I hold the basketball, it drops down due to gravity. I expect it to bounce back up again, right? So let's see if that works. It did not happen. It did not go all the way back up to my hands. It only went halfway through. The reason why that happened is because some of that energy was actually converted to the sound energy, while some still remained inside the ball. So because of that, the ball actually did not go very high, and instead went halfway through. So in conclusion, as you see, when I dropped the ball did not come to the same height where I dropped it. Instead, it only came halfway through, because some of the energy inside the ball was converted into the sound energy, and some other parts were converted to the friction. In this video, we demonstrated two of the theories that proved the law of conservation of energy true, which one was the bowling pins, energy being transferred, and the other one was the energy being converted.